Esports 3070 Ti inside this piece. Ryzen 7 5800X 8-core 16 threads. Not the newest stuff, but still good to game on.
Yes, so welcome to the New Tech stand. We are the distributors of Razer gaming equipment in Malta, supplying mainly retail stores, but also to certain corporates and certain businesses we can deal with on special occasions. Other products we also represent is Lenovo, Acer. We do cyber security products, but obviously the focus today is on gaming, mainly Razer, hence the display. And thanks for popping by.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Ciao.
I can't believe it, Golden X.
You can play it if you
All right, thanks.
There's PlayStation 1, there's Sega, there's every
Okay.
console.
So it's emulated, yeah?
Yes, it's made on a Raspberry Pi. It's made by a student.
Oh, nice, great.
Inside of it is
Great
a
stuff.
Raspberry Pi and it's all rigged up, and one of the students did it for an assignment.
Oh, great job.
Just to write. But these
Okay.
are just basically other students' research or theses or assignments or
Yeah.
thing. But Unity is great because it's like you can just press a button and you can just make it become mobile or PlayStation or Xbox.
Okay.
It's just press a button and
Okay, simplified, but yeah.
Yeah.
So you can use it, the Unity is good, you want to say, because you can use it on all the platforms, yeah?
Yes,
Consoles and...
multi-platform, yes. Like, look, over here you have. So I think you have built settings and you can send it to any of these platforms.
Okay.
So you have Windows,
Great stuff.
iOS, PS4, PS5, WebGL. And you just press a button, again, vaguely.
Again, yeah, okay.
And you just, it makes it into what it has to be.
This all looks great. These are all student projects,
These
yeah?
are all student projects, yes. These would be like a thesis, assignment, researches, etc.
So what's your name?
I'm Lenny.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Hello.
Alex.
See you.
Thank you. Oh look, it's Bolly. Hi. This is a 3D printer, yeah?
Yeah, so this is a tool changer, but we are using 3D printing heads and other heads as multiple processing methods. So in this case, we are 3D printing lighting like this. This is still a prototype, but it's a functional prototype. We use two heads for 3D printing, and we use multi-materials. We use conductive material and normal material. And then we have another head, which is a pick and place head. It's connected to a vacuum feed, which picks up LEDs from this feeder and puts them in the print while it's printing to create
Wow. Okay.
lights. Basically, this is the prototype, so this should be a PCB, but you can see here the LEDs are put inside a notch, and there's this black filament. That is the conductive material. So once I turn on the power, the LEDs light up.
Wow.
Then we have this diffuser cover, which is also fully customizable. We can change the texture, add
And
your
this
name.
is also 3D printed, yeah?
Yes, everything is 3D printed except for the wires in here.
Okay. Wow. Okay, so basically what you're saying, this machine can make this lamp,
Yes.
except the wires,
And
all the
it can-
parts.
even the wires technically.
Okay.
As under here, there's the wires. These are 3D printed
Yeah.
wires. And why we are doing this for automation. Once I press print, the machine outputs this circular ring with LEDs inside without any manual input. So it picks LEDs and puts them in their place without me having to
Okay,
involve
interfere
myself.
or anything.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, very good. Okay. So what's your name?
I'm Nick.
Okay, Alex, nice to meet you.
meet you.
Thanks for your presentation. Okay, guys, so this is pretty neat 3D printer. And this was custom built by students or?
So, unfortunately, my input is not working
Okay.
at the moment, but this is a project. We are Shapelamp.
Ah, okay.
We started off by creating lamps like this. These
Wow.
are fully customizable on shapelamp.com. Now
Okay.
we went a step further with the Ministry of Education and the Malta
Okay.
Council for Science and Technology. We created this machine. We customized this machine because this is an existing machine which we customized for our needs
Ah, okay, you just
to
adjusted it. Okay.
output products like that.
Okay, okay. Thanks. Thank you for clarifying. Okay, some more neat stuff here.
Hello,
Hello, hi. Hi. What's your name?
Francois.
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So
Okay.
AOZ, I'm presenting AOZ Studio.
AOZ Studio, understand, create, publish.
A simple local game engine for kids,
Wow.
designed for education. But you know, in school, in primary school, you need to learn to write and to read and not to draw. So that's why Malta and we're trying to get into schools so that they have a simple coding
Ah, okay,
and
good, good.
understand really what's behind.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I've heard something about that they want to introduce in the schools here, like some simple coding
That's it.
to prepare kids for the IT.
Exactly.
Okay,
exactly.
from the early age.
And
Very
to
good,
tell
very
you
good.
how simple it would be, if you want
okay.
to make like a Mario 64 kind of game, then it's only two instructions. One first instruction actor to display a mesh, and then the second instruction is after movement, and you say a movement to a platform, and then it will begin to move on the screen. So I can, you know. So the display of this one is an emulation of a retro game, so it's not
okay, good.
full HD, but still,
All right.
all right.
And what you were trying to explain to me before we heard that noise from the background. So this all requires relatively simple coding.
Yes, I will show you how simple it is. Let me find a good image. So you see, you have all the resources there. This is a big image. Okay, this looking.
Ah, okay, good.
So you have the image. Let's go in what we call the direct mode, which is the command mode,
Okay.
where you can type commands. So there I am. I have my little console where I can display things.
Okay, good.
So to display a graphic, so I say it's called a bob. I will put it in 100 with the image number 1. And
Wow.
that's it, you see? And if I want to make it move for x equal 100 to say 300, I do bob. The same instruction, it's simple. Instead, I replace 100 by x and still display the image. Then I do little wait or refresh and next. So we have a loop. Okay.
Okay.
Well,
nice.
it should have done something. That's
Good.
the memory effect.
All right. Thank you for your presentation and good luck with your project.
Thank you.
think I saw Mandalorian. Couple of static soldiers. They don't want to fight. Decorate your home in virtual world. Where Nintendo Wii is all the rage. Okay, aisle for the race guys. how are you, buddy? Hi. My name is Alex.
Sure.
What's the game that you're playing here?
Questo può essere Competizione.
Ah, okay. What's the car that you're gonna use?
The Porsche GT3 2 R, I believe.
Ah, okay, good. And for how long have you been playing this game?
This game in particular,
Yeah.
not so much, because
Okay.
I usually play General Best and
Okay.
Formula 1.
Ah, okay, okay. Well, what are you hoping here? This is competition, yeah?
Yeah, it's a competition. Yeah, I hope to pass for the qualifying races.
All right. Good luck. All the best. Ciao. We have a pro here, talking on the phone and driving. So in the match Ukraine against Ukraine, Ukraine is winning.